All right, it's Auxy part 2. Drums part 2. I was going to do melody, but kind of bummed. I thought I was recording the second part of the drums, and I wasn't. So I actually made the part, whoops, here in Mustard. And turn it on real quick. Get into it. Toms. Over here. Those aren't stock. They're sick because I came in here and messed with the low pass, messed with the pitch a little bit, messed with the delay slightly. Same with the these percussions. Low pass, pan, delay. Yeah, man, shoot. I'm like paranoid. Yeah, it's still recording. Darn it. But now I know. Yeah, I went all into like how I sequenced these tom-toms. This is like generic this time around, but solo it. I mean, yeah, in context, it doesn't really make as much sense, but it's all good. I'll just have to do it on the fly when it's in real time. It's so much fresher, but I'll play the whole thing and you can kind of hear how it fits in. Yeah. So this is without the tom-tom. This is with the tom-tom. Sick, right? So this percussion, the tap tap like the clave. I was talking a lot about how initially you stay with the evens and not the odd notes if you want like a really kind of basic structure that makes sense and sounds decent. But as you go and you kind of want to mess around with like the rhythm, you know, then you hit the evens and odds, like right here, these two right here. Bop 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 bop. It's not like even, right? It's a 3-2 pattern. So put 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 put. That's what makes beats sick. It's like when you fuck around with that rhythm, put 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 put. And you can just see like Lil Buck or somebody just like and the arms like, you know what I mean? Yeah, dancing music, buddy. Hip hop, man. Come on. You know how it is. But so I'll solo this. You can kind of get an idea of the rhythm, right? Just with the percussion alone. You know what I'll do? I will actually duplicate this. Light press, duplicate. Then I'll go on this other one, light press. Hard press puts you straight into the melody, the arrangement. I'm gonna edit that, and I'm actually gonna get rid of the toms, just like so you can kind of see the rhythm of this clave. I'm gonna get rid of the delay just so that you can kind of see, you know. Like there's an urgency to the dun dun, a kind of like urgency, you know. Then like slick, then it ends with that same urgency, right? So kind of like in comedy, like you begin with the premise and the crowd laughs, and then at the end you end with the premise and it connects to the original premise, and there's a sense of completion and a sense of like the audience catching on and appreciating like what is it called? I forget the term, like a resonance, like a balance. There's a term, I can't think of it. But so yeah, basically that's it. So those are advanced drums. How to layer your first drums with your second drums. So these drums are sick, and sometimes all you want is like minimal drums. You don't want to get like too complicated. Like with the beats that I make, I like to keep it pretty simple because the voice is such a powerful instrument in its own. You don't want to put too much on it. You really want the voice on there, and then you really know, like, whoa, like actually maybe these drums are too much as they are, Maybe they don't need that tom-tom on there. It's like too much, but I don't know. This is kind of what I like. If I'm not doing the 808 type super bassy thick drums, toms are just dope. Just tribal to me, and just like deep.